before about the articles and you have heard about them. Right? What are the articles? Where we are using them? So now we will get the deeply explanation about the articles. Now before starting the chapter, I just want to give you the general knowledge that you have. Right? So what is the alphabet? Right? We had learned that A to Z are alphabets. Right? In alphabet family, from A to Z, total how many letters are there? Yes, there are 26 letters. Yes, there are 26 letters. If you will count from A to Z, that will be 26. Yes, that will be 26 letters. Right? And from the 26, we have divided them into two parts. One part is of consonant and another one is about vowel. So here I will write consonant and here I will write vowels. So from A to Z, 5 are vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. And these 5 are known as vowel. Right? And except this, यानी इन 5 के अलावा बाकी के जो लेटर रहे, that means from 26, 5 are vowel, then the remaining 21 are consonant. Which are they? Let's write. A is there, so B will be here, C, D, F as E is here, next G, H, I you can find here, J, K, L, M, N, O is there, P, Q, R, S, T, U is there, so we'll write V, W, X, Y and Z. So these all are known as the consonants. So here we have divided our alphabet family, that is in the consonant and in the vowel. So now this thing you have to keep in your mind that 26 letters are there in alphabet and from that 5 are vowel and 21 are consonant. Now depend on this, that means based on this you just need to decide whether you have to put the articles at or where you have to put the article A and N. Right? So there are 3 articles, A, L and the. Right? Here I will write that A, N and the. हमने लिखे यहाँ पे 3 आर्टिकल A and the. So A and N, these both articles are based on the alphabet, right? How? So wherever the vowels will come, that means A, E, I, O and U. If a word will start with the letter A, E, I, O or U, that means a word will start with the vowel. Before that, you just have to write an article. Why? Because we are using this article for the singular noun. जब भी आप कोई नाम लिखते हैं, like that will be singular. And for the singular purpose, we are using the articles A and N. Right? So N will be used wherever the word will start with the vowel A, E, I, O and U. Okay? And where you have to use A article, so wherever you will find the consonant, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So wherever you will find the word starting with the consonant, there you have to write A article. One thing you have to keep in your mind, and this table you have to keep in your mind. So where you have to use an article and where you have to use A article. Once again I am going to explain you and I will revise this. That in A to Z 26 letters are there. From that 5 are vowel, and for that vowel we are using an article, and for the 21 consonant we are using a article. Okay, so where we will use an article, right? So whenever we are talking about the common noun for the first time, at that time you can put the a or an article before the noun whenever you are talking the first time, right? Okay, जब आप कोई भी चीज के बारे में फर्स्ट टाइम बात कर रहे हैं and that is the singular, then you have to use a or an article according to the rules. Like vowels will be there, you have to put a and an, and if the consonant will be there, you have to put a article. Okay. So here I have written two rules that, so let's read it. A and an are called indefinite articles. Yes, indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. We learned about that, where to use a and an. So it's regarding this only. We use a or an when we are talk about common noun for the first time. जब हम किसी भी common noun के बारे में बात करते हैं and for the first time. So we have to write it a or an before the word, right? Let's see some example of article a and an. So here I will write ostrich. So here your first letter is vowel. So we have to write a article, an article. Yes, an article. Next I will write here dog. So here you can find the D is consonant. So for that I need to write A. Okay. Next example I will write I. So here you can find A, N. Here you can find E. So we will write A, N. If I will write here box. So box starting with B letter. So we will write A article over here. Next I will write here umbrella. So for umbrella, which article will come? A, N. Because U is there and U is vowel. Next. Parrot. So parrot starts with P. So we will write A article over there. Okay. So here we have seen how to write A and an article. So now we are going to learn about the definite articles. And which is that? Yes, it's known as the. So now we are going to learn about the article. The is also an article. So where to use the? There are some rules that I have written on the board. So first, where we have already talked about the time thing before. जब हमने किसी भी चीज के लिए बात कर दी हो, right? When we have talked about the thing before. For example, if I will say this is a chalk, the chalk is white. So you can see पहले मैंने chalk के बारे में बता दिया था. This is a chalk. So whenever I want to repeat it again, so I will pronounce with that the chalk is white. Okay. When we talk about something in particular, अगर मैं कोई एक चीज के बारे में particular बता रही हूँ, for example, the principal is busy. So principal क्या हो गया कि जब मैं बता रही हूँ या मैं किसी के बारे में सुना रही हूँ, for that the principal, I am talking about the particular person. That means के we are talking about the particular. So the principal, the teacher, the doctor, that type we can say. When the noun is plural, जब कोई noun plural हो, for example, noun we had completed, right? So for example, I can say the apples are red. Here you can find apples. Apples is a plural. So for that I need to use the, the article. When there is only one of something, जब आपके पास कोई ऐसी चीज हो जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक हो, कोई भी हो. For example, we can say the moon shines at night. तो moon क्या हो गया? Moon is only one. The sun shines brightly. We can say so the sun, that is only one. So we will use the for the only one of something. So these are the 4 rules of article the. Where to use the? First, whenever we have talked about that already. Second is that when we are talking about the particular thing or particular person, when the noun is plural, and the last one when you are talking about the one of the something, किसी भी एक चीज जो वो single ही हो, right? So for that you can use the article. Okay. So here we have completed our chapter of articles and we had learned about the a and the article. Okay. So where to use a, where to use and where to use the article. Okay, so do practice of these examples and yes, refer the rules first. After learning the rules, you will able to solve the all blanks very easily. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.